Hey guys, it's me, Brixie, and today's redsungirlaj. I keep saying Brixie for some reason, just I get it wrong every time. So today's video is going to be the Animal Jam updates. They've been out for about since Thursday, so they've been out for 2 days now, and I still have not made a video, or I actually did, but that video turned out being really bad. And this is my first time filming this video, so that's actually pretty good if I don't mess up. So let's get started, and I'm sorry for not posting in a while. I've been really busy, but it's now spring break, so you should expect maybe 2 or 3 videos this week. I'm really tired and need to go to bed, so I gotta get this edited and get this uploaded, and maybe I will get it, go to bed. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing is that the Spring Festival has come to Jamal. It's for all jammers, and you can get. I will actually do another video separate from this channel, separate from this video this week, and show you guys it. The mushroom hunt is back. The new ways you can decorate your, areas you can decorate your den and stuff. Daily spin prizes to win presents and traveling rhinos, and this retail gift card. Plus, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you my den. So I got a lot of stuff from the current adventure that is on in Jamal, and I have new stuff. So I'm just gonna put the flower vase right in the middle of the table, and then this thing right there. And this is Cosmo Dens. Cosmo Den, if you did not know. And I'm going to delete this stuff right here. So and I thought I had that song, but apparently I do not. Well, now we'll just do, oh, here's the new, den area, the way you do it. Then, there's, here's what you can get from the, presents. I got this, and this the other day. Then there's this really new, pretty rug, and I really want to buy a lot of these, so I can save up on them. Okay, save up on. I saved up on it. On them, I bought 4 more. Okay, I'm gonna add this. I really like this for some reason. I just like the way it looks in the den. Dang, I need 5,000 for that. So now we're gonna work to get the 5,000 gems from the house, or the mushroom hunt. So let's go to my favorite place, or one of my favorite places, which is the gaming area. So yeah, and this is just gonna be normal speed because I don't feel like editing much. So here's the true thing: editing takes a long time, especially if you have a super long video like the video I just uploaded and posted on my main channel, which is Brixie.Fromline. That video took about 16, like an hour, 20 minutes to edit, because it just takes a while to edit. And I do a voiceover for it. Voiceovers are the hardest thing to do because they just take forever, and mine messed up, but I still did it. Okay, one more time, and then we'll end this video, and then I will end the gym later for this. So today I'm going to start doing questions of the day for myself and for you guys. What is your favorite type of video to film for Animal Jam? Mine is speed decorations because I have over, if I had a 9-minute long video and I did it like in 8 seconds or in a really fast way, then it would only do like 53 seconds and then it would upload really quickly too. So that's what I like, and it's fun to make them because it just shows how long it really takes you to edit it in. So now I have 1,378. I will earn some more later, but this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.